Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to be participating in an open collaboration invitation. I'm working with some amazing ladies here on YouTube to invite you all to participate in the International Full Wreath Challenge. KIKIDIYS recently reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to be a co-host of this wonderful challenge. Along with these sweet ladies, Style with Pat, Jenny from DECO Easy, Mom from MOMDAS Live Handmade, and Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fun. Now the rules are really simple, guys. Name your video the International Full Wreath Challenge for 2019. Use the hashtag International Wreath Challenge 2019. Mention and subscribe to all of our hosts. Your upload date is August 17, 2019, and the playlist will be available on August 16. Now there is no budget, items can be thrifted, store-bought or owned. So guys, get your thinking cap on. Now you can also send in a photo of your finished item by August 15 over to KIKIDIYS, and I'll leave her email address down below. So guys, we would love to have you participate. Be sure to check out these amazing ladies' channels. I'll leave links to their channels down below. I look forward to watching all your amazing videos. There's so many talented people out there and I can't wait to see them. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.
Jump into the car.